morning, dear students. Yesterday we have learnt about how far Abu Dhabi is from the Jil's country, right? And most of the time we have talked about the sand dunes, how it moves, and even the color of sand, right? Like a brown, yellow, red, black. Okay. Now today we are going to learn that what is around Abu Dhabi. The countries around Abu Dhabi are located in a desert area. Even if one drives a little away from the city, one can see miles and miles of sand. No trees, no greenery, just sand. Okay. I used to dream of thick greenery and cool water around our home in Gujarat, said Nita aunty. I'm so happy to see all this after such a long time. Okay, Nita aunty, who was living in Abu Dhabi, she told that she was dreaming of thick greenery and cool water around their home in Gujarat. Okay, so she is so happy to see all this after such a long time. The children have almost forgotten how they feel when it rains. Okay, because in Abu Dhabi they never felt the rain. So it almost never rain in the desert area. Yes, because we know what is responsible for the bringing rain on the earth. Obviously it's trees, and Abu Dhabi is such a sandy area, desert area, so there will be no more trees, so there will be no rain. Okay, water is really very precious over there. No rain, no rivers, no lakes, no ponds. Even below the ground there is no water, but there is lot of oil under the sandy oil. So petrol is easily available in these countries, added Pearl. In fact, petrol is cheaper than water, said Arvind uncle. Okay, so water is really very precious over there, and it's so costly, I have heard, even because there is no rain and no sources of water. Even underground there is no water except water. What is it? Yes, instead of water there is oil. Okay, so petrol is cheaper over there. By this time, all reached Jill's house. Hansi and Pearl were surprised to see so many fruit trees: coconuts, bananas, jackfruit, papaya, betelnut. So many kind of trees. Pearl said, "We used to see only one kind of tree there, the date palms, because it is only one that can be grown in desert." Okay, date palm required very less water to grow. So in desert area, only one tree you can find, that is date palm. Okay, nice gifts and photographs. After they had met everyone, Nita aunty unpacked their bags. They had brought gifts for everyone. They gave dates for everyone to eat. Okay, khajur. The dates were very sweet and tasty. Paul showed Jill some currency notes and coins. We have already watched the video of currency, right, of different countries. And she explained that the money they use in Abu Dhabi is called dirham. It had some writing in the local Arabic language. They also showed many photographs of place where they lived. Arvind uncle gave Jill a globe. He said, "Jill, why don't you find Abu Dhabi on this globe? And where is Gujarat?" The children enjoyed playing with the globe and looking for different places on the globe. Jill found Delhi and Junagadh also. You know why she found Delhi and Junagadh? Yes, because she went to Delhi in train during her picnic, right? In the evening, everyone sat in veranda, enjoying the breeze and looking at the photographs. They saw that in Abu Dhabi, the buildings were tall with many stories and big glass windows. Jill said, "You must be getting cool breeze through these big windows." Arvind uncle said, "We cannot open the windows because of it. It is air conditioned inside all houses as the weather is very hot and people wear loose cotton clothes and keep themselves fully covered. Even the head is also covered. This protects them from the strong heat of the sun." Okay, like this, see. Okay, Jill enjoyed looking at the pictures and finding about the other countries from her cousins. She constantly kept comparing her city with the things that they had described about Abu Dhabi. She decided that she would make a project report about Abu Dhabi for her class. That's it for today. You don't have to do anything else except the reading the whole chapter, and we already have done these exercises of both the pages, so we don't have to do further anything, right? I have given you this homework. You have to write the value of each note over here, right? Suppose this is 5 rupees note, so you are supposed to write here 5 rupees. That way finish the exercise. That is only work to do today. Thank you.